Hi, I'm Michelle, Business Development Manager for Ocean Science at Sonardyne. I'm on our survey vessel Sound Surveyor with our Origin 600 ADCP. Origin 600 is a brand new, feature-rich and intelligent ADCP for acquiring mid-range current profiles. So let's find out what Origin 600 can do to improve your operations in offshore renewable energies, from wave and tidal to fixed and floating wind. Origin 600 is full of features to support operations in offshore renewables throughout the life cycle of a project and can be reconfigured on the fly when objectives change. First up, let's take a look at how Origin 600 could add value to your site investigation, characterisation and assessment operations. In this initial stage of a renewables development, Met-Ocean survey is critical for an understanding of the ocean environment, for purposes including consenting, for operational planning including micrositing, for determining engineering specifications, for boosting operational and cost efficiency, and for improving safety. One feature of Origin 600 that can be of particular benefit for the Met-Ocean service provider is the integrated acoustic modem. When used with one of our Ranger 2 USBL systems, this integrated modem enables remote actions. First off, you can inspect and QC your data, so you can confirm that your ADCP is collecting quality data. You can do battery checks and storage checks. You can check level deployment. You can reconfigure your measurement schedule, and you can locate your device. All in all, the integrated acoustic modem delivers in-field flexibility and, perhaps more importantly for the Met-Ocean surveyor, data assurance, so no more compromised or even lost data. During a Met-Ocean survey, key oceanographic conditions that are assessed include currents, turbulence and waves, all of which Origin 600 has been designed to do with ease. As you can see, Origin 600 has a 5-beam configuration with a central vertical beam and a maximum sampling frequency of 4 Hz on all beams. Therefore, it's suitable for waves and turbulence applications as well as beam currents. Now let's take a look at how Origin 600 can add value to your installation and operating stages. A major benefit of using Origin 600 in these stages lies within the combination of the integrated acoustic modem and Edge data processing functionality. With Edge, you can upload data processing apps to your Origin 600 ADCP that will customize and optimize the data to your specific application. This data can then be exported using the acoustic modem to support near real-time monitoring of the conditions at your offshore renewable energy site and its subsea assets and infrastructure. In turn, this supports time-critical decision-making for purposes including maintenance of your subsea assets and for improving safety of crew transfers and underwater ROV and diver operations. What's more, you can integrate external sensors with your Origin 600 device using an RS-232 cable. Utilising Edge, the sensor data can be fused with your ADCP data, so you can really get the most out of a single device deployment and gather much more valuable data for your operations. One great example is the integration of an OBS sensor, the data from which, when fused with the ADCP data, would allow you to determine what sediment's in the water column and where it's going. Incredibly valuable for monitoring scour, which can threaten the stability and the integrity of your renewables installation. Together, these features present the opportunity for remote, safe and low-cost data, as edge-optimized data can be acoustically harvested using a small and efficient USV rather than a traditional crewed vessel, so reducing overall ship time, human intervention and associated risk for your offshore renewables operations. I've only covered a few of the offshore renewables applications that Origin 600 is perfect for in this video, but there's plenty more it can do. If you think you've got a job that can benefit from Origin 600, or if you just want to know more, please get in contact with us through your local Sonardyne office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything new from Sonardyne. Thank you for watching.